everyone. So today we are making a video of Lego Dinosaur. So let's start. We will start with the red piece and then the gray piece we stick it on two and the other piece in two. And then the other big one, you fix it there, and that's the main part. Now, you have to take four of these ones, and then you have to stick them in the bottom. All of them together. Now you take two more pieces and then you stick it facing the front side. And then you do the same thing for the other side, and the same thing for the front. Make sure they stick. Then when you don't have any pieces, you use 3 of the flat, one more. You lift it upside down. You stick it down. You stick it 3. That's 3. And stick it there. front,
Down.
front, the other pieces and join them together. And take one piece of the pink and put it in the top of the other ones. And it has to become like this. Then you use the other piece, put it under it, then put the other piece top of it, and it's rolling. And you use 2 browns and stick one eye and out of the pink. And you stick back, and that's that. And this is the T-Rex sound. And it rolls like this. That's all for this T-Rex show. It's walking, searching for food, and it's no food. That it rolls.